Alright, so this is the view from the front door. A lot of land. That's the mailbox there. That's Mikey's car. Got a wraparound porch. A lot of land. You could see the house next door just barely. That window, the little window, is one bedroom. That little window is another bedroom. I believe in the middle is the bathroom. At least I remember from the floor plan. Walk inside. Got the stairs going up. It's a view. It's the living room. Got a little bathroom here. Okay. You walk in, you got a dining room here. Wood floors. Red. There's a kitchen here. Pretty big. Mikey's car out there. Dishwasher. Stovetop. Got a grill here. A lot of storage. It's a kitchen. We also got a little sink here. What we're told is where one cooler would go. Got an outlet on the floor here for the living room. View of the backyard. Here we've got where the TV would go.